Let's explore the Everglades National Park. Hi, explorers! Welcome to Whimsical World Wanderers. Today, we're exploring the Everglades National Park, a mesmerizing expanse of tropical wetlands located in the southern tip of Florida. This natural wonderland is a sanctuary for wildlife, a hotspot for adventure, and an essential part of our planet's ecosystem. Let's explore everything that makes the Everglades so extraordinary. The Everglades National Park is situated in South Florida, spanning 1.5 million acres of marshes, mangroves, and sawgrass prairies. It's the third largest national park in the contiguous United States and is often referred to as the River of Grass. The history of the Everglades is deeply intertwined with conservation efforts. In the early 20th century, the wetlands were threatened by agricultural development and urban expansion. Advocates like Marjorie Stoneman Douglas fought to preserve this unique environment, emphasizing its ecological significance. Their efforts paid off when, in 1947, the Everglades was officially designated a national park. It became the first park established to protect a fragile ecosystem rather than a dramatic geological feature. Today, the Everglades attracts over 1 million visitors each year. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, there's something for everyone. So, what can you see and do here? Airboat tours are a must for gliding over the shallow waters while spotting wildlife. Taking a kayak through the winding mangrove tunnels offers a serene experience, while hiking trails like the Anhinga Trail provide an up-close look at the wetland's beauty. Don't forget to visit Shark Valley, where a scenic tram ride leads to an observation tower with panoramic views. The Everglades is home to a stunning variety of animals. Keep an eye out for American alligators and crocodiles, which uniquely coexist here. You might also see manatees, otters, or even the elusive Florida panther. Bird enthusiasts can marvel at species like great blue herons, snowy egrets, and the vibrant roseate spoonbill. The park's plant life is just as fascinating. Mangroves form a protective barrier along the coastline, while vast fields of sawgrass sway in the breeze. The Everglades also boasts rare orchids and bromeliads that add splashes of color to the landscape. The Everglades isn't just a tourist destination, it's a crucial ecosystem that provides clean water to millions of Floridians, supports agriculture, and protects against hurricanes. However, it faces ongoing threats from climate change, pollution, and invasive species. Conservation efforts are vital to preserving this unique environment for future generations. The Everglades National Park is a treasure unlike any other, a place where nature thrives and visitors can reconnect with the wild. Whether you're exploring its waterways or simply soaking in its beauty, the Everglades is an experience you'll never forget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun educational videos. Until next time, keep exploring.